Hi traders, Anthony here. In this video I want to show you a couple of things. We're having a look at the Euro Yen quickly on the daily time frame here. So we've got this move. It's well and truly overextended and we've traded into a key level. I'm looking for the possibility that we see this pull back, and then I'll be looking for a buy opportunity. In fact, we actually could trade this both ways. Go down to the 4-hour chart. What we've got here, and I'm going to explain my indicators, is, the information on this chart is incredible. This is my version of a volume profile. You see the shaded area. So this is accumulation distribution zones historically. The lighter the level here, the bigger the resistance or support. Market's overextended. We've got this alert firing here on the 4-hour. It actually fired on the 30-minute as well. It's not a bad signal, this one. We tend to get some decent moves out of these when they fire. You can see, if you have a look at these dots, it's generally going to be a worthwhile trade opportunity. So we've got a dot. We've also got this breakout on the 4-hour. Okay, so there's a couple of things. We've got two opportunities here. This is traded into this resistance. See this white line? This is a monthly level. The orange line under it is a weekly. So we've traded into a weekly and a monthly. And these yellow lines are daily levels. So we could pull that through there. Look at the resistance here. What we get when the market trades into, especially the weekly and the monthly level here, is resting orders in the order book. Short. Okay, now it's overextended. So I'm assuming bigger players are going to be looking to take profit. And this is the level where that's going to happen most likely. Can it push through here and continue on? Yeah, if there's enough momentum. But I've got a feeling that we might see the market consolidate through here for a bit. At least through here, given it's traded into these levels. All right, so we have an opportunity on the lower time frame to counter trend trade it. And then I'm looking for the pullback. Now, the pullback, if we consider this breakout on the 4-hour here, what I'm generally looking for is, see this midline here, this is the mean. Okay, so I'm looking for the pullback into the mean. Now that's going to work beautifully with a fib retrace. Fib retrace down into the 50 to 786 level. There it is. That would be an ideal entry long in there. Okay, you can see that this is a valid level. All right, now given what we have here, it's overextended, it's pushed up into this weekly and monthly. So what I'll be doing is, on the higher time frame here, is just looking at it and coming up with a concept. What do I want here? Well, a counter trend, short, and then I want the pullback opportunity to trade long. All right, so let's just consider this level through here, and I'll call that support resistance. And then we'll go down to the lower time frame and see what that's going to give us. So that's the game plan. What I'll do now is go down to this chart, and I'm going to pick a 2-chart layout. I've got a 5-minute up the top, and I've got the 30-minute under. All right, I could even go down to a 3-minute chart here. So you can see the levels here. The weekly, the white one is the monthly level, and this is the weekly. Trading up into it, we've got a red dot here as well. Okay, so generally, these dots give us quite a nice opportunity. Look at that one. These dots are best traded in a ranging market, and I tend to leave them alone when the market's in a steep trend. And what I mean by that is, well, actually that's a fairly steep trend. These are great. See how this is more or less ranging sideways? Look at these trades here. And then in a steep trend, they're okay, but I'll tend to avoid those. See, the market trades down and levels out. That's the one you want. Quite nice. Anyway, don't want to get too distracted. So we've got a higher time frame confluence to the upside. This is my 30-minute chart, and we're looking for, we've got the levels here. Weekly, okay. Daily, weekly, monthly. Okay, a pullback down into, pull my fib. See how the light shaded zone comes into play? Well, that's picking up these areas through here and overlapping them, giving me this color on the chart. So that's a support level right here. I'll tend to short this, and I'm going to be looking for the 30-minute chart. See the average true range down here? I've got 0.138. I'm going to be looking for profits at 0.138. Okay, 138, maybe a little tight, but TP1, I'm probably going to look to close 80% of my position around here. Quick profits. See how that comes into play with the monthly here, the pullback down into the monthly and the weekly. So that would be my first level. I would close 80% just short of that in there. That's the first trade, and then I'll leave 20% running and just see what we get out of it. And you know, if this trades back down, I'll follow it down basically with a stop loss. So that's plan A, counter trend, and then I'm looking for the opportunity then to enter. Now, these alerts bring me into the chart. You can see down here, extended 4 hour. I had that one set up and that fired, so that brought me into the chart. So these alerts go off and it gives you the opportunity. You don't have to be, you know, looking through charts and trying to find an opportunity. It's right here. I actually quite like the 30-minute alert as well, so I'm just going to set that up quickly, add alert, and it's breakout and it's the extended that I like, once per bar. I'll set that up so that I pick up these on the Euro Yen 30-minute chart. Here's the thing: if this retraces, I'm looking then for an opportunity to catch the rotation and the pullback and trade long. So what have we got here? We've got a weekly level here. We've got the lighter shaded grey zones. That could be a thing. So we don't have to come back into this. We can just wait for this breakout alert to fire on the lower time frame on a 3-minute. And let me just show you how this works. We don't miss opportunities. Look at all the alerts going off, guys. Check the link below the video and go to my YouTube channel and you'll see a ton of videos that I'm doing daily. So I've got the 3-minute above here and I've got the 30-minute. Anytime after here, after this breakout of the cloud here on the 30, I'm looking for the opportunity to catch these pullbacks on the 30-minute chart, and I'm looking for the rotation out. Market trades up, pulls back. You want entry there. Trades up, pulls back. You want entry there. So let's have a look and see how they stack up. Okay, there you go. Look at that. See that? This breakout is giving me the rotation out of this pullback. That's exactly what I'm looking for on the 3-minute. The thing with this is, it's not just any breakout. This is quite specific. It's this break here. That's the break that it's giving me. It's not giving me this break, in fact. Okay, so you'll see that. If you line that up, it's through here. That's the break right here. This breakout signal is a little bit delayed. The first break actually came in here, but I don't want to take that. That's too early. But there's more chance that this breakout will have a stronger momentum behind it, directional conviction, because it's slightly delayed. I hope that makes sense. So that's the breakout I'm looking for. I don't have to do anything. It'll fire, it'll come in here, and then I can jump straight into the chart. I know I'm looking for a Euro Yen opportunity. So if this rolls over here, finds whatever support, and we get the rotation, just like down here, there'll be a range potentially, one break, and then the second breakout, and that'll be the key there. Okay, so that's basically what I'm waiting on. And we're starting to rotate here now. I mean, that's a sell. Okay, guys, I'll wrap it up at that. A couple of trade opportunities on the Euro Yen. Again, click the links below the video in the description. Check out the YouTube channel, go to my website, gain access to the indicators. There's a 7-day free trial, and if you like them, $19.95 a month after that, which is peanuts. You also get my Telegram group. Safe trading. See you in the next one.